Welcome everyone. Sticking sort of the Hoth theme this week. Got the medical droids. Got 21B. I think I looked it up and this is FX-7. Both these in actually pretty good shape. Got the little wear and tear on 21B there. He was and he's got his little whatever this thing is for him. You can't quite. The arms can go around but not past it. And this is a FX-7. He had an extending neck, and he had a claw or something here. I can't really remember. It was something there. All these little doodads. I don't know if they still pop out or not. But they used to, yeah, pop out. So that one's not feeling it. They're all still relatively attached to run the risk of popping them off while on here. Okay. Where'd my... Oh. No, I just want to get it done. Okay, yeah. Oh, one more. All right, now we can... I'm not going to stretch them all the way out, but they do, and they snap back into their little... All right, but let's say they made the appearance on at the back to tank when Luke got assaulted by the Wampa. Not much. Quit focusing on that. Not much detail going on in the middle there. There's something going on inside his chest cavity there, but I don't know if that's just a bubble. Looks too circular to. That might just be glue or something. And that's this. Not much to. It's just a cylinder. There's not much to see with him. Eyes and sensors and plane on top. And got the manufacturing markings in the bottom down here. Hong Kong, 1980. Usually they're on the legs. That might be it. Like my eyes aren't that great on this small. Yeah, this I think says something there on the inside. Yeah, I can't read it. It's too blending in. But anyway, there they are. 21B and FX-7. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. It's going to keep on going for a while yet. See you next time.